It's Some time.
Hi guys! Did you check out our video on why do cats purr? That was fabulous, right? But now, to make it a little more interesting, I'll replay the video and ask some questions in between. Why do cats purr?
To keep their voice melodious.
Nah. According to a popular belief, people think that cats purr when they are happy and satisfied. But did you know that cats purr in other situations also? In which of the following situations does a cat purr? When it is angry, when it is anxious, when it is in pain, all of the above. Come on guys, clock is ticking, start typing your answers.
What are you waiting for? I can't seem to find your comment. Write it fast!
Okay, time to find out the right answer. It's option number 4, that is, all of the above. Imagine a cat falls from a height and injures her bone. Which of the following is a phenomenon in which cats fall from tall buildings? Height drop syndrome, high-rise syndrome, downfall syndrome, high-level syndrome. You have only 15 seconds and your time starts now.
Hurry up! Write your guess in the comments section.
And time's up. The answer is option number 2, high-rise syndrome. In such a situation also, the cat starts purring to heal her bones.
Purring? To heal the bones? But how's that possible?
It is found that exposure to frequencies between 20 Hz and 50 Hz builds bone density, and the frequency of a cat's purr falls within the range of 25 Hz to 150 Hz. What is Hertz? It is the unit used to measure speed of light in space. It is the unit used to measure speed of a cat. It is the unit used to measure frequency of sound. It is the frequency at which an electric eel gives an electric shock. And your time has begun. Start guessing.
Come on! The clock is ticking! Write your answer in the comment section.
Are you guys ready? And the answer is option number 3. That is, it is the unit used to measure frequency of sound. So, it is possible that a cat who has injured her bone might be purring to build bone density and thus promote healing.
Whoa! That's awesome, dude!
In addition to this, cats also purr when they are stressed or feeling very hungry. Apart from purring, which of the following is also a cat sound? Chatter, hiss, chirp, all of the above. Are you ready? Your time starts now.
Come on! Get that brain working and write your answer in the comment section.
Okay, time to find out the right answer. It's option number 4. That is, all of the above.